Today I'm going to show you 3 super easy ways to make money with ChatGPT, and each of these methods is 100% free. In fact, you don't even need any experience to get started. All you need is a computer or smartphone with an internet connection. By the end of this video, you will know how to leverage the power of artificial intelligence to start generating passive income. And yes, some of these methods are completely passive, so let's get right into it. The first method is to create personalized children's storybooks. With this method, you can charge up to $40 for each storybook, and the process takes only about 10 minutes from start to finish. Here's how it works. First, ask a customer for a high-quality picture of a child. Tell them that you will upload the picture to ChatGPT and then turn it into a cartoon-style image. After that, you will use prompts to generate 20 pages of a storybook with the corresponding image prompts. Now this part is important. Tell the customer that they will receive the finished product in the form of a 20-page printable PDF document that they can print at home or at a local printing store. For example, I used an app called Leonardo AI to generate all of these cartoon-style images. They're very realistic and high quality. You can use any image generation tool you want, though. But Leonardo AI is my favorite so far because they have a really easy-to-use interface, and the free plan has more than enough features for this business idea. After that, you just need to copy all of the generated images and paste them into a canvas design. Now tell the customer that you will ask the AI to create a 20-page story with a happy ending based on the child's name and some other details. After that, you will insert all of the generated images onto the corresponding pages and match the names of the files. Lastly, you need to select the standard US book size of 8.5 inches by 11 inches. You can also add a cover page with the book title that ChatGPT can also generate. Then all you have to do is click on download and save it as a PDF standard document. That's it. The whole process won't take you more than 10 minutes, and you can charge $40 for this service. The best part is that you can put all of these digital products on platforms like Etsy or Fiverr. Moving on to the second method, which is custom art collages. With this method, you can charge between $25 and $45 per collage. Let me show you how it works. First, ask a customer for several pictures they would like to transform into a piece of art. Then tell them that you will use ChatGPT to generate 20 different art styles from their photos. Now here are the 20 different art style prompts that you can simply copy and paste into the chat. Just make sure to remove the ones in brackets when pasting them in. Start with the prompt. Imagine a beautiful oil painting of, and then paste the customer's photo. When you're done, click Enter, and there you have it. ChatGPT will generate a fantastic piece of art that you can use as a starting point. However, we need to do a few edits. Go to Canva, pick one of the generated images, double-click it to open it, then click on the Edit button. Scroll down a bit and find the Background Remover tool. Click on it and wait for Canva to automatically remove the background. Once done, click on Apply, and then go back to ChatGPT. Now ask it to imagine a new piece of art using the same photo, but with a white background. Copy the generated image and go back to Canva. Double-click the image to open it and drag the generated image with the white background over the old one. Once done, click on Share and Download. Select PDF Standard Document and save it. Repeat these steps until you have 20 different pieces of art. Finally, zip the folder containing all of the 20 images and send it to the customer. You can charge anywhere from $25 to $45 for this service, and the entire process won't take you more than 30 minutes. You can offer this service on platforms like Etsy or Fiverr. And now let's move on to the third method, which is future portraits. This is a great service that uses ChatGPT to create a portrait of a customer in their future dream career or with their life goals. For example, you could have someone who wants to become a doctor, a lawyer, or an astronaut. And the best part is that you can create these images in less than 60 seconds. It's incredibly easy and fast. Here's how it works. Ask a customer for a high-quality photo of themselves and tell them that you will use it to create a portrait of them in the future with their dream career or life goals. After that, ask ChatGPT to generate a portrait of the customer in their dream career. You can also use the Leonardo AI tool to create realistic images. To get started, simply upload the customer's photo and paste it into the prompt. I really like the way these images turned out. They look very realistic and professional. After that, go to Canvas and add their name, a future year, and a motivational message that ChatGPT can also generate. Once done, you have a unique product that you can sell for $45 or more. To promote and sell your services, create a landing page using tools like Linktree. You can add a link to your page in the description of your TikTok videos. Now here's how you can use TikTok to grow your business. Create short before and after videos to showcase your work and include a call to action in each video telling people to visit your Linktree page to buy your services. You can also join communities on Facebook or Reddit and share your creations in the public groups. For example, you can post in the Artificial Intelligence subreddit or in Facebook groups related to graphic design and digital art. If you stick with it and create high-quality products, you will start getting customers in no time. To sum it up, today I showed you 3 simple ways to make money with ChatGPT: personalized children's storybooks, custom art collages, and future portraits. Each of these methods is completely free to get started, and you can start earning money as soon as today. Remember to follow for more valuable content, and I'll see you in the next video.